Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make earrings using these Rainbow Jasper kites. We have these kites in lots of different gemstones, and we're going to have these available in kits, or you can buy the supplies individually. So first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to wrap our kite, and we're going to do that using a 20 gauge stainless wire. I'm going to string the kite onto my wire, and then I'm going to push both sides of the wire up to the top so that they crisscross. And you can see they're kind of sticking out a little bit on either side. So I'm just going to take my pliers and just come in here and just push it a little bit closer up against the stone. So there, and then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to turn one of these wires up so that it goes straight up. And then I'm going to hold everything in place and coil around this bottom one a few times. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and put them at the top. And I'm going to bend the wire away at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to put my pliers right here at the top. And I'm going to bend this around, making a loop. And then I'm going to attach this hoop to my loop. And then I'm going to hold this right here, and I'm going to coil this back around. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And I'm just going to tuck the two ends of these wires in. And now I'm going to attach the hoop to the moon using my jump ring, 4mm jump ring. So these are already open. I'm just going to attach that, attach the moon, and then I'm just going to put my pliers right here and twist that jump ring back together so that the ends meet up. Then from here, I'm going to use another jump ring to attach the next two components. Do that. I'm going to put my pliers on both sides, twist that jump ring back together. And then I'm going to attach the last one to fishbone chain. So we're going to go through here. And through here. And you can also turn your chain the other way if you would prefer for it to go down instead of up. You can switch it out and make it exactly your preferences. Lastly, we're going to add the ear wire. It's just going to twist open at the bottom. I'm going to twist that open, attach it here, and put that back into place. All of the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.